Hello, guys. Because my annoying mother wants me to do Santa Baby on here, I guess I will. Because she's told every one of her friends. There we go. Santa Baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa Baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa Baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa Baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the bells that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you check out my Christmas list. Santa Baby, I want a yacht and really that's not a lot. Been an angel all year, Santa Baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa honey, one little thing I really need, the deed to a platinum mine, Santa Baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa cutie, fill my stocking with a duplex and check. Sign your ex on the line, Santa cutie, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Come and trim a Christmas tree with some decorations bought at Tiffany's. I really do believe in you. Let's see if you believe in me. Santa Baby, forgot to mention one little thing. A ring. I don't mean on the phone, Santa Baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Hurry down the chimney tonight. Okay, guys. Thank you. Sorry for wasting your time on my video.